Some homes are simply beautiful. Others offer a way of life few ever experience. This is 942 Pompano Drive in Jupiter, Florida, offered at $8.5 million. Fully rebuilt in 2023 and offered completely furnished, this Key West style estate spans 4,145 square feet under air, nearly 6,800 square feet in total, with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Inside, soaring vaulted ceilings with rich wood beams set the tone for the living space, anchored by a gas fireplace and walls of glass that frame the water beyond. The kitchen is anchored by a large center island, perfect for entertaining, with high ceilings and an open flow into the main living area that makes the whole home feel bright and effortless. The primary suite offers a coffered ceiling, a private balcony, and peaceful water views. The spa-inspired primary bathroom showcases a freestanding soaking tub, a glass-enclosed dual-head shower, and marble finishes throughout, while the oversized custom closet, complete with glass front cabinetry, offers boutique-style storage for the most discerning homeowner. Step outside to a private tropical oasis featuring a concrete infinity pool, a heated spa, an outdoor kitchen with a built-in barbecue, and a fire pit set right along the water. The property is paired with an adjacent lot, delivering nearly 400 feet of pristine waterfront shoreline, a rare and distinguished offering along the Intracoastal. A private dock with a 20,000-pound lift and direct ocean access make this an exceptional find for any boater. Living in Jupiter means embracing a lifestyle built around the water. This home offers navigable access to the Intracoastal waterway in the Atlantic Ocean, placing world-class boating and sport fishing right at your doorstep. Jupiter's pristine beaches are just minutes away. Some of Florida's most celebrated golf courses are close by as well. Families will appreciate the proximity to Jupiter's top-rated schools. When it comes to dining and shopping, Jupiter delivers, with waterfront restaurants, boutique shopping at Harborside Place, and premier retail just a short drive away at the Gardens Mall. For those who travel by private jet, both Palm Beach International Airport and Witham Field in Stewart are just a short drive from your front door. From here, Manhattan is only about 3 hours away by air, keeping you close to everything while living miles from the ordinary. I'm Matt Walsh with Illustrated Properties. If you would like to schedule a private showing of 942 Pompano Drive in Jupiter, call me today at 561-886-8456. At Walsh & Bouchard, it's more than a home, it's your lifestyle.